Wow! Don't upload your video like this, but upload your video in this manner. Did you want to get like a 1,000 viewer in just a minute or in just an hour? Oh. This secret I'm about to share with you now, a lot of creators they are hiding this secret from you. They don't want you to go viral the way they are also going viral. I just learned this secret and I've applied it one of my channel like that, and I just want to start it on this my channel also. I don't want to hide this secret from you. I want to share this secret for you to you so that you can able to do what, to get viewers and subscribers and your 4K watch hour. Let's go. Don't upload your video like this, but upload your video in this manner. Now, let me tell you something. Once you upload your video and you upload it in directly public, now YouTube will be confused of the video. You can just push the video to people, audience randomly. For example, now I am searching for how to cook jollof rice, and I saw a comedy video. Now this is not the video I'm looking for. Okay, I watch the video, maybe the video is 20 minutes and I just watch the video like maybe 1 minute. I swipe off because that's not the video I am looking for. Now that's to tell you that YouTube has pushed the video randomly to people. People will not watch the video as it needs to be watched. Now if you post your video like this, let me tell you what YouTube is going to do. YouTube are going to study the video. It's going to study this video. And whenever I study the video finish, YouTube algorithm is going to determine the audience that is going to push the video to. For example, now you create a content on how to go viral on YouTube. Now YouTube algorithm have seen this video and have studied the video. Now it's going to push the video to the rightful audience at the time, so that whenever you finally push the video on this, the video will appear on the timeline. Whenever they search it on the Google, place on Google, is going to pop up the video. You are now for them to watch. I've used this secret on some of my channel and they are growing. I want you to use this on your channel also. If this is your first time watching my video or being in my page, please, I want you to click the subscription button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget, this is Sajay Digital Crypto. And my name is James Olakenjinu Seraphin. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you. And wait for the next video.